Hello YouTube. Today we're going to make a backyard ice rink. I'm super excited. I've always wanted to make one since I was a little kid. I do get to make some cool childhood memories for my own kids. We partnered together with NiceRink. NiceRink shipped out all materials. They're here, they're ready to go. All we need to do is install them. The first part of our installment is measuring the distance of our ice rink. We have a length of 44 feet by a width of 32 feet wide. All right, the first measurement we have is 44 feet in length. We have 2 stakes pounded into the ground, also with a guide string lined so that way our boards stay nice and straight. We'll go to the other side. I'll measure 32 feet in width, and we'll do the exact same thing. Okay, I have my super cool assistant, Lila. Lila, say hi.
Hi.
Lila is holding our tape measure on one end. My math is done. Our Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, will come out to about 54 feet and about 5 inches. Yep, we're right on the button, 54 feet, 5 inches. That gives us a perfect square.
Okay, Lila, bring the last string over. It's working. Good job. Thank you, assistant.
Okay. After you get all your dimensions laid out, you're going to start putting the first boards in. The first board is going to go 7 feet 6 inches. So I've kind of already laid this out, but you're going to go 7 feet 6 inches here. Take a marker, give a nice spray. Okay, that way you know where to put in the first board. All right, running out of daylight, but we definitely made some good progress. We made our first run, and we made the first corner, and then I'll pick up tomorrow from where I left off. Okay, so the weather has changed for the worse or the better for the backyard ice hockey community. We are in the midst of some rain, sleet, and snow expected this afternoon, so our goal is to finish the corner brackets and then to spread the liner and put the caps on, and then hopefully take advantage of Mother Nature's water. And here is our finished product.
Careful.